Today's December 15th. The build's going pretty well. I think I can have it mostly done within 10 days. Even if it's done and not just like completely set up and ready to play, I'll be happy with that. Today I'm going to be working on the fretboard. I have it lined out with the laser so I know where everything goes. And these are the insets. I did get my new laser module, which is a 10-watt diode. It cut this 5mm maple like butter, but I still haven't found a good setting for this rich light yet. So instead of doing that on the laser and trying to figure it out, I'm just going to go ahead and cut these holes with the drill press. All right, my glue's down. I might have forgotten to start my recording. It's December 16th. I'm working on the fretboard today. That'll probably be all I get to today. It's a busy day. I have some other stuff going on that doesn't involve being in the shop. So it's definitely getting down to the wire. I have to go back to work in a couple days. I've had some time off doing all this, so we'll see if I can get there. So the fretboard's all milled and ready for the binding, which is going to be more of the figured maple coming off this piece here. Wasn't sure what to do about these ends because I can't bring the router all the way down because of this hangover, but I think I'm just going to leave that curve and incorporate that into the design. So the binding's all trimmed up now, and I left this nice little black detail along the edge there. Next up is radiusing the fretboard. For the radius, this flat board needs to match that 12-inch curve. Okay, after quite a lot of sanding, we're at the 12-inch radius. Fretboard's been sanded to 320 with the radius block, and then from here on out, I'll sand it all the way up to 2000, just by hand without the block, because it's not about taking any more off, it's just about getting it super smooth. And this rich light, it gets really glossy smooth when you go with high grits.